Everyone, I am still talking about ways in which you can get a deduction and also take some cash out of your business. Now, for this one, everyone is familiar with this deduction, but the thing is, not everyone gets this deduction because if you're taxed as an S corporation, as I have on the board behind me, if you get taxed as an S corporation, then a lot of time S corporation owners do not get these deductions because they don't know, or whomever prepared their return don't know how to take this deduction on their return. And this is because this is how it works. So business use of home and car, as I said, everyone knows about this deduction. Everyone thinks they get it. But when you're an S corporation filer, you have to reimburse yourself for these expenses. This is the only way you will know that you're getting this deduction, is reimbursing yourself before the year close. So now we're in 2018 and it's June. And if you work from home or if you have an office outside of home, but you do some task at home, you can claim the business use of home deduction and also write off your mileage. But if you're taxed as a S corporation, it's extremely important to know that it's treated differently and you have to pull the cash out of your business. Now, I would say that regardless if you're an S corporation, you should take the cash. And the reason why I say that is because most deductions, you have to spend money. So when you're able to get money and take a tax deduction, you should definitely take that cash. Because every time you pull money to pay yourself in your business, or you pull money for a distribution or a draw, that money is taxed. So if you can get money where it's not taxable because you get a deduction for it, then it's advisable for you to pull more of those non-taxable money from your business. Also, what I'll say is, in this example that I have on the board behind me again, if your business, say your business use of home and car adds up to $9,800, so this is the deduction amount, what you can do is actually write a check to yourself for this amount. Write a check, transfer the money, whatever you want to do. You get this deduction, so you pull the cash if you have the cash. What if it's in the case that you don't have the actual cash for your business? What you can do is reduce the amount that you're paying yourself and pull this additional to make up that fund, so that you'll know that you get this deduction and your tax rate will reduce because you're getting a deduction for a portion of the money that you're paying yourself. So that's the next example. If you don't have the money in your bank account, if you have some extra cash, and I'll say always take the cash. What you can do is take this money quarterly, divide it into 4, divide it into 3, whichever way you want. Divide it into 3, divide it into 4, whatever you want to take this money out. And why it's advantageous is because you get the deduction and you can also get the cash. And that's what's important, is to keep more cash in your business or in your life. So always seek to get these opportunities that you're able to basically get the cash out of the business. Once you pull the cash for personal expenses and so forth, then you have to pay tax on that money, and the tax rate is high. You can also use this money to buy additional expenses. You can use this money to pay for your health insurance premium. You can use this money to pay for your health savings account. These are deductible as well. So you pull money out of the business that you don't have to pay tax on, and you use it to fund other expenses that you basically get a deduction for. So basically, for the same money, you get 2 tax deductions for the same money. And if you already have your health savings account and those other deductions that you can take, you can use it to pay your estimated taxes and get a deduction for it. So the key here is, when you're getting tax deduction, look for the ways where you can pull cash out of the business and keep that cash without that money being taxed. And if you're an S corporation owner and you're taking the business use of home deduction and you're not reimbursed yourself, then you need to go take a look back to see how much money you're basically losing.